So, as most folks have probably been reading the news or the Twitter feeds or the other feeds, KXL has been canceled by the new American president, Joe Biden. So now what? I'm sure it's not canceled for good. I'm sure it'll be back. However, in the meantime, let's talk about what we can do with our existing assets. So I've drawn a picture here of pipeline flow rate over time. The blue line is your hydraulic maximum, so the maximum rate that pipeline can be flowing. The black line is, okay, you're flowing along and then, the pipeline shuts down. Automation of control room operator actions. You can actually start up the pipeline faster every single time. If you start the pipeline faster every single time, you get these lovely green chunks and you're holding closer to hydraulic max, these lovely green chunks on the top. So you have dollars. So if you start up 40% faster every single time, and let's think about Canada and how Canada really wants some more export volume. We've got, I think, the fifth or the third biggest oil reserves in the world. We want to get that to market. Totally legit. So if we start each of these up 40% faster every time, that results in 4% additional throughput annually if you're assuming about 2 shutdowns a week. So that is equal to 152,000 barrels a day, which is about a third the capacity of the Trans Mountain pipeline. So that is a pipeline that is going ahead in Canada, which is awesome. So that 152,000 is available to us all without a new pipeline. We could be getting it right now. Interesting kind of nuance here as well. And when I was working, specifically in industry, you hear all the time, like, okay, we meet 100% of our 100%, like we're at 100% capacity, right? What is typically meant by that, it's construed a little bit, is you're meeting 100% of your contracted volumes, which is awesome. You're meeting 100% of your commitments to your customers. But that does not equal 100% of the pipeline capacity. It actually typically only equals 85 to 90%. I'll get more into that in another blog post, but quite interesting, right? So you know what? For now, KXL is canceled. Let's get 152,000 barrels a day out of Canada by working with Crux OCM, because why not?